Catching butterflies is so much fun. Hey, Snorky, what's that? Are these gold coins? We're rich! Ah! Who are you? Freddy Krueger? Okay, I don't know what is happening, but let's enjoy our day. I am enjoying the carnival, Snorky, and my boyfriend, Mr. Jawbone, is going to sing tonight. Ah! Snorky, help! Thanks for saving me back there, Snorky. I don't understand. What are these monsters? The flying ones are cocoon paintball, and they are making more monsters. I don't know what we're gonna do. Oh no, we're trapped! Come on, Snorky. You heard him. Let's go!